And now, Nickelodeon presents It's Brian Lau Went to Railfanning. Starting Brian Lau, Talking Tom, Talking Ben, Talking Ginger, and Talking Angela. And now, here's your host, Brian Loud.
Hi guys, this is Brian of Parker Fan and Railfanning here today. We'll be Railfanning Ramsey with my first year anniversary edition. Since I was Railfanning when I was 13. Here's how's the first train. First train is ALP 45UP. Now I have to wait for the next train. Train number 51 for Port Jervis. There's more to come. Okay, so here comes the next train. Train 51 bound for Port Jervis. Its first station stop will be Stafford. Here's the caucus. Or I'm heading this way. Stay tuned for that. Look at the weather today. The weather today is sunny, windy outside. High temperature will be, the temperature right now, it is 50 degrees. Windy here, and it's cloud. It is bright, clear skies, and there are some low trees going to grow for the winter. So stay tuned for that. More trains to come. Well, I gotta stay because it's very cold, but there's more trains to come after this. So let's check for anything for else. But because I'm Railfanning, who will join us Railfanning with us? Me. I'm a Railfanning. So any else have a questions? Just comment below. So alright, so I'm staying here with this beautiful house waiting seat because of the windy weather. But you guys, what is your favorite place to sleep? I mean, what is your favorite place on winter? Please comment below. But there's more trains to come. Okay, so here are my special guest with Tom. He's joining us today. Hello, Tom.
It's kind of very windy here, so how's it going? Hi, Brian. It's kind of very windy today, weather. How's it going today, Brian?
I'm good, thank you. So it's very cold today. Is there any trains here?
I don't think so, but the train number headed to Hoboken, but the train's now heading at 5:03 p.m. Anything else?
Let me guess. I can't. Oh, there's the pine trees here because it's Railfanning. Very cold, and I think it's windy here. So let me check the The departure board. Wow, there's a flag here. Woo! Oh, yeah. Hey kids.
Hi.
How's it going? So, I'm just taking a look at the departure board as where is the train? It's a 5:04 and it's departure. Wow, very windy here, right Tom? But the thing is, I have to go on the 5:04 a.m. p.m. for Hoboken. You can see any announcements here. Oh, there's the announcements. Gotta go, Tom.
Bye-bye, Bray. Have a great day. Don't step on the tracks.
All right, thank you, Tom. Yeah, that's great. So shout out to Talkie Tom. He's been a great anchor voiceover. So okay, so you may see here Talkie Tom friends, but let's try somewhere else. Let's here comes the next train. There's a new train number heading to Hoboken. We have another special guest today. Here's Talkie Ben joining us. Hi, Ben.
Oops, I'm sorry, I'm just looking to book. So, how are you, Brian?
I feel great. How is everything?
It's feel great today. Repeat, it's been great today, so we're having commercial break, so I'm checking the news, and I'll see you a little bit. So when did train number 1117 stopped at?
1117? Yeah. So train number 1117 is stopping at Ramsey Main Street and heading stuff all the way for Southend.
Okay, so I'm stopping at station, but when is train number 53 stopped at?
53? Oh, 53! So 53 is not stopping here, so let's all the way go for Port Jervis and for Secaucus.
Alright, that was cool, Brian. Oh, we have 20 seconds to get aired. Alright, I gotta go work for news. Bye, Brian. I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, Ben. Have a great day. Oh no! The map just fell down! There's no map here! Oh man! I think that was sure we fixed something. Stay tuned for more guesses here. So the next train is 1117. Oh. Is there any Comet 4s? Aha! Comet 4s! That's what I'm talking about! As ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the L42 AC. Woo! And the whole spring up. Comet 4s here. Hi guys, I'm very sorry for you guys, but my phone just going to ran out of die. My phone's going to die soon because I can't Railfanning without my battery going down.
Oh, that's okay, Brian. You'll be Railfanning at some point at Ramsey. But you'll be Railfanning next time, right? Hey, Brian, I just remind you that that it's okay that you're Railfanning, but what happened to your phone? You died? But I'm sorry. I'm just taking you, but I'm just reminding you. So I gotta go to the weather center to check some more weather forecasts. I'll see you guys. I'll see you in a little bit.
But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. So please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.